Have you ever wished that you could trust your body again, but not really know how that trust comes back? And maybe your body feels unpredictable, maybe you worry about the pain coming back, and maybe you don't know which movement is safe. And maybe you feel just like you have to constantly monitor, manage, or protect yourself. A lot of people think that the trust is something that they need to convince themselves to feel, like, I just need to believe that my body is okay. But the real body trust usually does not come from forcing a positive thoughts. It grows through somatic experience, through small movements where movement feels possible, where your body surprises you, and where you don't have to brace as much, and where something feels a little easier, more clear, safer than before. And that is how trust begins to return. Not all at once, not by pretending everything is fine, but through repeated somatic experiences that teach your nervous system, maybe there is another possibility. So let's explore that now. So please take a moment and then notice one area of your body that feels natural, or maybe even a little pleasant right now. Not the most painful area, not the loudest area, and just the one place that feels okay enough. And it may be your hands, maybe your feet, maybe your face, maybe your chest, maybe your breathing, your back against the chair. And now let your attention rest there for just a few breaths. And you don't have to make anything happen. All you need to do is just be present and notice. What is it like to pay attention to a place that does not immediately feel like a problem? And can this also be part of your body experience? Now, gently widen your attention and include that just okay place. And then maybe one area that feels more difficult. You don't have to fix the difficult area. And just include both in your awareness. And this is one small way the trust begins. And not by denying what is hard, but by helping your nervous system remember that the body is more than the problem. When the trust begins to return, it doesn't usually happen all at once. And it begins in a small moments. And moments where the body feels a little less like danger and a little more like home. And if this speaks to where you are right now, and you would like to support rebuilding that trust and through somatic, guided somatic movement, and you're more than welcome to schedule a Zoom call with me. And the link to schedule a Zoom call is down below. If you are new to this channel and enjoy this video and this content, and please subscribe and then like this video and share this with your friends and family. And if you have any comments, and you can leave your comments down below as well. So thank you very much and for watching today's video and giving attention to your body. And I will see you in the next video. And bye-bye.